you want to kill yourself?
Oga, too much food go make you weak and lazy o.
Oga, me I'm hungry o. Can I come and eat inside?
Uncle, what are you doing?
See, yesterday, I was feeling very weak in this workshop after eating agege bread and mineral. So I went to Oga doctor and he told me that what is doing me is lack of proper diet.
Diet quoi?
Sorry, diet.
Diet.
Bam! He said most of us that work hard and don't have enough time to eat balanced diet are always having fentinitis.
Fentinitis.
Fentinitis is when you lack balanced diet in your body and you are experiencing general weakness.
Oga, it's like me I'm having small fentinitis o.
If I carry engine block and hit your head, that fentinitis will leave you. Or you come and face your work.
Oh, is that why you want to punish yourself with all this?
See, I will not allow what happened to me yesterday to happen to me again. By the time I finish this food, that your weakness will not worry me. I will have enough strength to go and walk that car there.
My friend, I understand your situation. I used to have the same problem until I discovered Supramalt. Supramalt is a blend of multivitamins and minerals needed for optimum health. It is called Supramalt capsule. Getting to eat balanced diet can be difficult with our busy schedule, so I take one Supramalt capsule daily to supplement my meals.
Okay, please, they have finished your car. Come and go.
Uncle, can you finish this food?
Is it your finish? My sister, thank you, Jare. Ngwa halele. Go far. Before you come here and distract me from eating balanced diet.
Mechanic. I want the brake of my car for.
Oga, your house show. You see pregnant person and you are sending him message.
Okay, mechanic.
Oga, this one. All I go. Come back next year.
Emanuela, please, I need Supramalt.
Oh, is that you know? Uncle, what you need now is antenatal. Is the baby kicking? You see your life.